Hey and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little shark. I'm going to start with this back fin. So I'm going to curve down like this. And curving all the way to here. I'm going to make another curve going slightly down till about here. And then I'm going to curve to the bottom. All the way to about here, a little bit the center of the back fin. I'm gonna create another fin by curving out and back up again, and then from the top I'm gonna curve in, this side the same, I'm gonna curve in, I'm gonna leave a little spot open. From here curve all the way up to here, and now I'm gonna curve to there. Same thing on the bottom, but this one is a little bit smaller. And now for a nice grin, I'm gonna curve like this and curve down. And for its teeth, I'm gonna make a curve like this, curve back, curve all the way to there, and one more time, and we're done. For the eye, I'm gonna create a curve here, and a circle on top of it. Create another circle for the pupil, you can fill it in. Like this. For the nose, just a little shape like this. The gills, one big one and one smaller one, and one fin in the back. I'm gonna curve all the way to here and curve back in again. And last thing we want to do is create a curve over here all the way to the back, and we have ourselves a cute little shark. I'm going to fill it in with an outline, and I'll be back here with you in a few seconds. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you again in the next video. Bye.